Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something always al bacio, quickly and taste. It's something interesting. I'm going to make a pasta dish. Easy. It's gonna be creamy like anchovies creamy. I show you what we need. Well, we're gonna need some olive oil. I have some anchovies in sunflower oil. It's 100 grams. 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, bread without crust, garlic if you like, some parsley and milk. Okay, the time to cook this pasta is 10 minutes. Okay, and always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. This is 100 grams with oil. I put everything inside, even the oil. Okay, pine nuts inside, parsley. I'm gonna go for half of this. Okay, bread inside. Okay, milk inside. Milk is just 20 ml. Olive oil, a touch of salt and pepper. Wow, you see? Like this. I won't try. I'm gonna put the water for the pasta. Okay guys, the water boil, spaghetti inside or any pasta you like. The sauce is ready. And when the spaghetti they're gonna be very al dente, we're gonna put in the pot. We're gonna cook the last in the pan, and we're gonna cook the last few minutes. Okay, it's gonna be absolutely al bacio. Okay guys, the pasta is almost al dente. Pan on, water. We start putting the anchovy cream inside. Not too much water, okay? Like this, and straight away inside. Yeah, here's everything, I think. Mix everything. Oh, the smell. Make sure your cream, the anchovies, is everywhere. The smell is absolutely wow. We're gonna try. I know it's hot, but I like that. Guys, absolutely delicious. My spaghetti with anchovies cream is this, amazing. Always guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.